Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect my Wix store to Printful. So first, you need to set up your Wix store. Go to www.wix.com, sign up or log in, choose a Wix online store template, and add essential store pages like home, shop, about, contact, policies like shipping and returns. So this is your dashboard, and before you set up your dashboard, you can now add the name of your Wix store right here, and then what kind of products you're selling. You just have to answer the following here. And then once done, then you can now go to your dashboard. You can set up everything here like payment method. But this time, let's just tap on design site, pick a template, and then here you can search for anything related to your products. Let's just say this one. Tap on edit, change the name, and then add the pictures or images of your product. Let's just say Jandy's wear, and then add the picture right here. Now, before you publish, you can go to Printful and then go to store, create an account first, go to store. Now in store section, you will see here stores. You can connect this to Shopify, Etsy. Just tap on this section right here and it will show you all the platforms where you can connect your Printful. And one of this is Wix. Just tap on connect, wait for a couple of seconds. You can read the following, just scroll down below and then tap on Connect to Wix. I strongly suggest to open your Wix to the same browser or same tab so that it would be easier for you to select your Wix store right here. So let me select this one, tap on select, and then you just have to review everything here. Give permission to Wix to connect to your Printful and vice versa. So connect and then wait for a couple of seconds and basically that's it. Once you are connected, you can now start adding products in your Wix and it will be connected to your Printful and vice versa. You will see also that in your Printful, if you tap on store, if you are connected to Wix, you will see the Wix store right here. So you can now start designing in your Printful and then publish this one. It will show also on your Wix store. So basically, that's how easy it is to connect my Wix store to Printful. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.